Hi everybody, thanks for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to go ahead and do my cash stuffing. So I got my paycheck, withdrew the money from my account, and now I'm ready to cash stuff my wallet so that I can have my money prepared and budgeted for the next 2 weeks. Alright, so we should have a total of $528 from the bank. Actually, no, it should be $517. I took a little bit less out because I spent some money already. 50, 100, 150, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. That is 22. 517. Perfect. Okay. First thing that I'm going to cash stuff is my wallet, like usual. So Essentials is getting, it was supposed to get 50, but it's only going to get 39 because I had to buy a phone case, which I would say is an essential. So we're going to do 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 36, 37, 38, 39. Skipped out on me for a second, but Essentials now has $39. Shopping needs 50, so we're gonna do 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 54 shopping. Dining out is going to get 58. 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. 58, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Kids is getting nothing. It has money in there already. Beauty is getting $20. 20, 40, 50, 60. Honestly, now that I'm thinking about it, I don't think that's enough for a pedicure, but we'll see. Miscellaneous is just going to get a $20 bill. Entertainment. Entertainment is getting $50. 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Alright. So it should have 64. So now it's 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Alright, 64 for entertainment. Gift and giving is not getting anything. It has $55. Emergency, nothing. Alright, so we're ready for the week. And I did write out my spending. I'm going to try to be better at the cash. So we spent the $11 on the phone case. So I did write that out. And the next is our sinking funds. Sinking funds. Okay, emergency is getting $50. These I use regular denominations for. So this now has 50, 70, 90, 105. Okay, auto emergency is also getting $50. And these all have money in the bank as well. So it now has 50, 70, 90, 100. Okay, graduation, also 50 bucks. Graduation now has 50, 100, 120, 40, 60. 160 in cash. Okay, Mom, I am getting, oh, I said $40, but let's see, what do I want to put it in? Let's do, I'll put those in my envelopes somewhere. I'll figure that out. $25 is going to home maintenance. I haven't been able to tell so far. All of these got some money. So home maintenance now has 50, 75 in cash. Home decor. Home decor is getting $20. So now it's 20, 45. August event. This is family fun. It's getting $15. So sometimes I put it in family fun. Sometimes I put it in August event for the fair, but we're putting it in here today. That's 35, and I think that's it. That's it for this envelope. All right, now let's do my binder. My binder is getting, I guess I could put 20 more in beauty. That's what I'll do. I'll put 20 more in beauty. That's in my wallet. And then I'll put, let's see, 20 in clothing. All right, so we have 20, 40, 65. Now in my clothing. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. I'll put 20 more in beauty because I'm worried that I won't have enough. But now I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. And then I need a school envelope. That's what I need. I need one that says school for me in here. Let me see if I can have stuff to make one. Okay, I think my stickers are all upstairs, so, and I don't feel like one up there. So we're going to put $20 in here, and I'm going to call it school once I can get the stickers. I'm going to put this right, actually, I should put this in the always fund. That's what I should do, because that's always going to get some money every payday, and that's for my college fees. I'll put it right here. Okay, I have $10 left. That's going to go to car registration. I have that in bills right here. $10. So it's marked green because I thought I was done, but I feel like I need to put some more in there. And if I don't end up using it this year, then I'll use it next year. So most of that is in the bank already, but there's $80. All right, that's it. We are ready for the week. Hopefully it made sense that I put that, took that money out of essentials for the phone case. I feel like that's an essential. Let me know what you think. That is the question of the day. Do you feel like the phone case is an essential? I do, because if it breaks, then I gotta buy another one, which the last one broke. I don't think that that was my fault, though. I think that was just an error with those Razr flip phones. All right, that's it for me today. I appreciate it. I want you to always remember it is about progression and not about perfection. Thanks for watching and happy saving. Bye.